Anyone here tell me who lives in the neighborhood of make-believe? Shout it out. That's right, Daniel Tiger. Hey neighbors, would you like to make believe with me? Awesome. Let's all close our eyes nice and tight. No peeking, because we're going to make believe that Daniel Tiger is getting on Trolley with us. No peeking, only make believing. There he is.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
We can open our eyes now.
Hi neighbors, I'm so glad you're here. You're just in time for Neighbor Day. It's a special day when we all do something nice for our neighbors.
That sounds just wonderful, Daniel. We're happy to have you along on our trolley ride through the neighborhood today.
I'm so excited. Thanks for taking us, Trolley. Here we are.
Our first stop is Prince Wednesday's castle.
Yeah.
Say hi to Prince Wednesday with me. Hi, Prince Wednesday.
Hi, neighbors. Happy Neighbor Day. I'm really excited to see you
Why are you so excited, Prince Wednesday?
because we're about to have a special neighbor hugging song at the castle.
A neighbor hugging song? That sounds just right for Neighbor Day.
I know. Will you help me tell everyone in the neighborhood about the hugging song?
We sure will, but what should we tell them?
Thanks. Just tell everyone you see to come along to the neighbor hugging song.
Let's say it together.
Come along to the neighbor hugging song.
That was tiger-tastic.
It sure was, Daniel, but let's try it one more time to make sure we remember. Ready? Come along to the neighbor hugging song.
Thanks for helping me, neighbors. Bye. See you soon.
Bye, Prince Wednesday.
Bye, Prince Wednesday. I'm so glad we can help Prince Wednesday. Hey, since it's Neighbor Day, maybe we can help all the neighbors we see. Do you think we can?
Do you think we can help all the neighbors we see?
Terrific! Sing with me.
Neighbors to invite you to the hugging song. Won't you ride along with me? Won't you ride along with me? All together with Daniel again. Ready? To find our neighbors to invite them to the hugging song. Won't you ride along with me? Won't you ride along with me? Our next stop here is the treehouse.
Do you see my friends? It's Katarina Kitty Cat and O the Owl. Let's say hello.
Hi, Katarina Kitty Cat. Hi, the Owl.
Hello, Daniel. Hello, neighbors. Happy Neighbor Day. Woohoo! Hi, neighbors. Isn't it a beautiful day, meow meow?
It sure is a beautiful day, Katarina. We have a very important message for you two from Prince Wednesday. Come along to the neighbor hugging song.
A neighbor hugging song?
That's right, a special Neighbor Day hugging song at the castle.
That does sound special, meow meow. Oh, yes, it does. I think I'll bring my favorite book to share at the hugging song. Hoo-hoo!
That sounds great, Oh, but where is your book?
I don't know, hoo-hoo. Can you help me find it?
Do you see O's book? Where is it?
It has a rainbow on it.
Oh, there it is. Thank you, neighbors. You helped me find my book.
Great job, neighbors. What about you, Katarina? Do you have something special to bring to the neighbor hugging song?
I'm going to do a dance at the neighbor hugging song in my beautiful tutu meow meow.
That sounds wonderful, Katarina. But where is your tutu?
I don't know, meow meow. Can you help me find it? My tutu is very important for my dance.
Can you find Katarina's tutu?
Right there.
Great job, neighbors.
Oh, there's my tutu. Thank you for finding it, Meow Meow. You are such good neighbors on Neighbor Day.
You're very welcome, Katarina. Well, neighbors, I think it's just about time that we got going so we can find the rest of our friends and invite them to the Hug and Song.
Bye, neighbors. Thank you. See you later, Meow Meow.
Goodbye. Our next stop here is the museum go-round. Look, everyone, it's Miss Elena.
Let's all say hello.
Hi, Miss Elena.
Hiya, Tits. Happy Neighbor Day.
Happy Neighbor Day to you, too. We have a very important message for you from Prince Wednesday. Ready? Come along to the Neighbor Huggin' Song.
Oh boy, I love hugging songs, especially on Neighbor Day.
Will we see you at the castle, Miss Elena?
You sure will, but I'll be Astronaut Elena in my space helmet.
Well, that sounds out of this world, but where is your space helmet?
Oh no. Where did I put my helmet? Will you help me, neighbors?
Do you see Miss Elena's space helmet?
It has a blue stripe on it.
Thanks for finding it, neighbors. Just in time for the neighbor hugging song.
You're very welcome, Miss Elena. We'll see you at the castle.
I'll see you soon. Bye.
Goodbye.
Ride along with me, ride along. Won't you ride along with me?
Our next stop here is the clock factory. Can anybody tell me who works at the clock factory?
Clock factory? That's where my dad works. And there he is. Hi, Dad.
Hello there, my fuzzy guy. Happy Neighbor Day, everyone. Welcome to the clock factory. Are you on your way to the castle?
We sure are. Will you be there for the Huggin' Song, Dad Tiger?
I sure will. But first, it's almost chime time. Would you like to hear it?
Sure, but what is chime time?
Daniel, would you like to tell them?
Sure, Dad. Chime time is when all of the clocks in the clock factory make their special music.
And now, it's about to begin.
Wasn't that terrific? Thanks, Dad.
It sure was, Daniel. Well, neighbors, I think it's just about time that Daniel stepped off Trolley so he can join the rest of his family on their way to the Huggin' Song.
That's right. I'll get off Trolley so I can come along to the Huggin' Song with my whole family.
All right, neighbors, let's all close our eyes nice and tight. No peeking, because we're going to make believe that Daniel is stepping off Trolley. No peeking. We can open our eyes now.
Bye, everybody. Bye, Daniel. See you at the Neighbor Huggin' Song.
Goodbye, Daniel. Goodbye, Dad Tiger.
Bye.
Neighbors, does anyone want to guess who we're going to see next? Shout it out. We'll take a look right around this corner here. Look, everyone, it's Mr. McFeely, everybody's favorite mailman. Hi, Mr. McFeely.
Neighbors, it's good to see so many happy faces on this beautiful Neighbor Day. I'm on my way to make a speedy delivery to the castle.
What's inside your speedy delivery, Mr. McFeely?
It's a surprise. Come to the Neighbor Huggin' Song to find out.
Would anyone here like to guess what's inside Mr. McFeely's speedy delivery? Shout it out. That's a pretty good guess, but I think we'll just have to wait and see. Mr. McFeely, we have a very important message for you. Come along to the neighbor huggin' song. Will you be there, Mr. McFeely?
I'll be there. Bye, neighbors. See you soon.
Bye, Mr. McFeely. Our next stop is the castle. Happy Neighbor Day, everyone! Look, we've made it just in time for the Neighbor Day huggin' song.
Hi, neighbors. Look, everyone came to the huggin' song, and Mr. McFeely brought us all sunflowers. That was his special Neighbor Day speedy delivery. Aren't they terrific?
They sure are, but what should we do now?
Well, start with hugs. Everybody hug all the people you want to hug. Wasn't that terrific?
It sure was, Daniel. Some would say it was tiger-tastic even.
It's such a good feeling to have everyone here for Neighbor Day. Are you ready to sing?
We sure are.
Here we go.
It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling. You're growing inside, and when you wake up, ready to say, I think I'll make a snappy today. It's such a good feeling, a very good feeling, a feeling you know.
That I'll be back when the day is through. Not me, not me. More ideas for you, and you'll have things you want to talk about. I will because it's you I like. Hugga everybody.
Mugga mugga, Daniel. Happy Neighbor Day, everyone. Neighbors, just a couple quick reminders as we leave the neighborhood of make-believe. Make sure you stay seated until the bar on your right has been completely raised and our neighbor back at the platform has told you it is safe to exit. If you've left any loose articles in our loose articles bin, make sure to grab those on your way out. I hope you've had a wonderful ride and enjoy the rest of your day here at Idlewild and Soak Zone. Let's all wave hi to our neighbor. Hi, neighbor.